I mean, I don't want to call this thing fragile, but get the insurance and let me show you how to replace wings. So today I'm going to show you how to easily switch the wings on the GoPro 4 Mini. All you need is a micro Phillips head screwdriver. You can get this anywhere that sells computer parts. Let's go! I nipped the front wings a bit, so let's go ahead and replace them. So there's 4 arms, each with 2 wings, for a total of 8 wings. Pretty cool. Look at those micro springs in there. So when I took off the first swing, I wasn't thinking about it. I took off this protector. It's actually much easier with the protector on because it'll hold the wings in place. That way you can get them, well, I guess it doesn't really hold them in place, but it somewhat holds them in place. You can unscrew all your wings and then take off the protector and then boom. Boom. It's very important when installing these new propellers that you put them on in the right place. Definitely pay attention for that. You can't just put these propellers on any side. Take out the new propellers. They give you an extra one. That's nice of them because they know people are going to lose them. And if you drop that anywhere on carpet, forget about it. When you're putting them on, you can tell because there's a side of the little writing here you can feel. That side's on top. Boom. Slide it right on. Side with no writing, smooth, bottom. Boom. Boom. Just like that. Now for the focus, the micro screws. And they give you an extra one, which is nice of them because if you drop these little things anywhere, forget about it. So put the little thing in between your fingers, guide it in, and do the first couple twists by hand to get it going. Once you have it grooved in, and boom, twist it. Now I advise you twist it till you get some resistance, but don't do this tight, because you do not want to fray these screws in something this fragile with something this small. Boom, just a little tension, let it go. Your 2 fingers, guide it in, and give it just a twist.
The screw in between your 2 fingers, guide it in, and just a little twist.
And just a little.
Get between your 2 fingers, guide it in, aha! Get between your 2 fingers.
Get it between your 2 fingers. It's easier if the one you're screwing in is facing away from you towards the back of the drone.
You put it in the hole and then just a little twist.
Oh. Sorry about that. Sometimes it's relieving to get simple things accomplished. Okay, again, just screw it till it's tight. Don't Hercules it. For the left front, I'm going to use propeller B. Just go ahead and pop these babies on. Pop, pop. So you could just pop all the wings on, then put the protective strap on, and then screw the screws in. So at least the wings will be kind of in place and not flailing around. Nail in between your fingers. Get it in there. Pray you can get it in there and just...
Boom, get in there.
Okay. One more. Just gotta play Master Miyagi one more time. Oh yeah. Oh, I was gonna say first try, but no.